You are going to love the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.